What's up, YouTube? This is your credit cousin, Brian Keith. And in this episode, Deport Elon Musk 2025. Let's get into it. Now, I have a video that I want to show you all of the protest that's going on here in Washington, D.C. about the closing of the CFPB. Now, if you all don't know who the CFPB is, if you have a low credit score, under 700, if you need credit repair, without the CFPB, you stuck. Can't nobody help you. So let me get into this video.
Another protest today against President Donald Trump and Elon Musk, this time outside the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. As you can see, there are hundreds of protesters and over a dozen elected officials are speaking. They are concerned that the CFPB is going to be gutted or shut down. Now, Senator Elizabeth Warren actually helped create the CFPB. She says it's not going anywhere.
Are you ready to fight for the little agency that fights for us? We will fight it out in Congress. We will fight it out in the courts. We will fight it out across this country. And I promise you, we will win.
This is a takeover. You see what they're doing here at the CFPB. You saw what happened over at the Treasury Department. The biggest heist of Americans' sensitive personal information that we've ever seen. Are we going to let that stand?
Yes.
Okay, family. I hope you guys understand what's going on. But let me break it down for you. If you need someone to repair your credit, right now, no one can repair your credit. Most credit repair people use the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau to go after the CRAs. Who are the CRAs? I'm going to see if I could use my other camera to show you all what I'm talking about. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. While I hold it up. You had a CFPB at the top. This is the government agency. These are the CRAs: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Let's say you was having an issue with a credit union or a bank, and this is you down here. The way this system works is you contact the CFPB about all these people here. Well, if there's no CFPB, all of these businesses here take advantage of you. There's no one to help you from the government side, from the federal side. Yes. Now, you probably could go to your attorney general in your state and file a complaint. And I'm going to be honest with you. Most attorney generals, they don't like to help you and me. Because to the attorney general, even though we elect them, we're considered small potatoes. So when I saw this come across my news feed on YouTube about the CFPB, I'm throwing my hands up like, this administration, they got to go, man. This is going to be a real problem for average Americans like yourself. If you're under a 700 credit score and you got derogatories, ain't nobody can help you right now, family. Nobody can help you. I mean, I'm sticking my hands up because right now, we're in trouble. And it just started. it's gonna get worse. So if this video has added any value to you, please comment. Put your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the Credit Cousin YouTube channel, subscribe. Because what I could do, I could possibly help you if you email me. Okay? So you have to do something so I can do something for you. So until my next episode, you be blessed.